most common binder in dietary supplements? Cellulose. Cellulose is commonly derived from cotton, which is one of the top bioengineered, also known as GMO crops, or softwood pulp. But it can also be derived from corn, another top bioengineered, also known as GMO crop. Here are a few forms of cellulose that are often used as a binder in dietary supplements. Carboxymethylcellulose, also known as CMC, which is generally considered hypoallergenic. However, there is evidence that carboxymethylcellulose can cause inflammation of the gut by adversely affecting intestinal microbiome. Ingesting it, even in trace amounts, can be triggering in people with inflammatory bowel diseases, such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. There are also many non-food applications of how CMC is used, including being used as a low-cost electrode binder for lithium-ion batteries, in the oil drilling industry as a viscosity modifier, and in laundry detergents as a soil suspension polymer. For those of you who would prefer to stay away from this form of cellulose, know that CMC is also a common additive in commercial ice cream, processed gluten-free foods, and low-fat products. It can be found in chewing gum, margarine, and many different candies. The next is methylcellulose, which is the most common form of cellulose used to manufacture vegetarian capsules. Methylcellulose is not naturally occurring. It is synthesized by heating cellulose with lye, also known as sodium hydroxide, which is then treated with methyl chloride, also known as chloromethane, which is synthesized by combining methanol, also known as methyl alcohol, with hydrogen chloride. In other words, there isn't much that's natural about methylcellulose. It is often added to paper, paint, and construction materials such as mortar. The truth is, I could probably go on for hours about the different forms of chemically altered cellulose that are used as binders in dietary supplements. For example, ethyl cellulose, which isn't water soluble and therefore is also often used as a coating and/or time release agents, other excipient categories. Hydroxyethyl cellulose, which can also be used as a disintegrant, another excipient category, and is a common additive in paint, adhesive, welding rods, and joint fillers. Hypromellose, which is short for hydroxypropylmethylcellulose, or HPMC. This is a common additive in tile adhesives, cement renders, paint and coatings, detergents, and cleaners. Then there's sodium cross-carmellose, which is also used as a disintegrant in dietary supplements. But covering them all would obviously take more time than we have for this simple little video. If it's a topic you're interested in, just know it's a very big rabbit hole that's easy to fall down once you start digging. Until next time, remember, critical thinking combined with discernment is a superpower.